Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. During festive season we eat so much of sweet that finally we look out for something really very tasty, delicious, crunchy and spicy. So today I am going to make chakli. You check down the ingredients of the recipe. It is very simple, very easy and very tasty. Do try it at home and give me the feedback how it turned out. So come on, let's start making chakli. To make the dough for chakli I am using around a bowl full of rice. This is sago, that is sabudana, around half cup, around 2 to 3 tablespoons of urad dal, and this is moong dal, around half bowl. This is gram flour. I am using around a bowl. In place of this you can use half bowl of chana dal, that is gram dal. Now what I am going to do is I am going to wash rice, sago, urad dal and moong dal all together. If you are using chana dal, even that. And I am going to just keep it for 2 to 3 hours to dry out. Then I am going to roast it, very dry roast it very much so that it gets grinded very well, and then I am going to grind this all into flour. Here you can see all the ingredients I have washed out except the gram flour. If you are using chana dal, so you can wash that too. And then I'm going to just keep it to dry out. Every now and then 15-20 minutes you just keep on rotating it. You just keep on breaking the lumps so that it dries out well. Spices which are going to get grinded in the flour, in the chakli flour, are 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks of 1 inch, 10 to 12 black pepper, 4 to 5 cloves and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. I'll dry roast it once for 2 to 3 minutes and then I'll grind it with the flour. And last but not the least, dry roast cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds along with the spices, and add it to the mixture to get grinded. Now the flour for the chakli has been grinded. I'll start to prepare the kneading process for it. To knead the dough, I've started to heat up the water. This is the same quantity of water as the flour. So once it starts boiling, I'll add the spices. Once the water starts boiling, add around 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, salt to taste, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now this boiling water I'll add it to the flour. Now add the water slowly to the dough and keep on mixing it. Now I'll wait till the dough cools down. Then I'll start kneading it. If required, I'll add more water and I'll turn it into a soft and smooth dough. You can see the dough is ready into soft and smooth dough. I'll just take small pieces of dough ball and fill it into the chakli making machine. Now take a plastic sheet. Just go on moving, rotating it, and you just go on forming the chaklis. With your hands, just go on rotating it and rotating the chaklis and making it. And at your desired size, just cut the end and stick it. So one more chakli is ready. You can start doing the other one too. You can see the chaklis are ready, and now I'm going to fry it. Once the oil is heated, just drop the chaklis into it. Fry it on a medium flame. Once it starts to turn golden brown in color, remove from the oil and it is ready to serve. You can store it for a few days. You can serve it with tea and coffee, whatever you like. It is a very good snack. If you have liked this video, click on like and share, and please subscribe for more and more delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate.